Hey, what's up, everybody? So I want to do this quick update on gold and do a little more in-depth analysis about where we are now. So we're in this, what looks to be carving out a bit of a flag pattern or pennant, maybe even a descending triangle. We had quite a good breakdown last night. And if you watched yesterday's video, I was talking about this 1548 level, how key it is right now. And so we broke down out of it, and we've been just kind of moving sideways along here. And you know, in a way, it looks like we've broken out here potentially, and maybe consolidating for a move higher. But I'm still looking for pressure to the downside, and maybe we carve out the bottom part of this triangle here, which would coincide to the 61.8 level. Of course, it's never that fast, but sometimes it is with gold. When this happened last night, I thought we were in the middle of a sell-off. So we were looking pretty heavy today, and then that news came out about the United States not rolling back any tariffs on China at this upcoming trade deal, which is certainly gave it a little bit of resiliency here. So, we can't rule out a move higher. But until if we do get a move higher, what we're going to want to look for is a move like this that would be higher than this high right here. So we need a new higher high, in other words, to get, and then if this were to happen, this would be a big signal that, well, we're going to make another run higher and make another stab at these all-time high, or not all-time highs, but these former highs that we just made around 1600. So, but we're not there yet. We're still in the middle of a correction phase. Here we are on the 4-hour. RSI is kind of looking pretty reset here. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with this trade deal tomorrow. So this 1546 level is very, very strong. So we have to clear this and get a good closing candle or two above here. And that would signal that, maybe we're going to rally higher. So, so this is definitely one to watch. Now, on the other hand, if, you can see we're making this small little pennant formation here. If you can look for us to break down out of here, then I would say that the momentum is continuing to the downside, and then we're going to continue carving out this pennant flag-like structure, which we're just making one flag to the next one, right? So here's a flag here. Here's a flag here. So let's see how long this one lasts. And of course, we are carving out this other one for months, for literally like 5 months. So this doesn't look like it's going to have that much because it's much more compact. So with that being said, I'd kind of be surprised to see us get a huge rally up here, but it's gold, man. You never know. So if the trade negotiations do fall down tomorrow, then this thing is going to really take off. If it goes off without a hitch, and say the stock market and the S&P rallies to 3,300, then this will most likely start to seeing these 1527 levels, which is the 50% retracement. And I would imagine that the bulls will make a pretty good stand at the 1527 level. And, a lot of people that I'm following on Twitter and stuff, though, are calling for even lower levels like 1487, which would be the 78.6 level here. But one thing is for sure, this is a pretty important juncture that we're at this 1546 level, and it's going to be important for us to break it in order to move forward. So that being said, I hope that gave you a clear picture on what's happening in gold right now, at least the way I see it. And I hope to see you in the chat room. Give this video a like if you like these videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.